Hello guys and welcome to our tutorial on a powerful integration that is going to save you and your team a massive amount of time connecting monday.com to make.com using different webhooks. In this tutorial, you're basically going to learn how to automatically trigger a series of actions in other applications whenever something specific happens in your monday.com boards, okay? I'm assuming that you're familiar already with the boards in monday.com, but if not, we will create a separate tutorial on this. So imagine this, when you mark a task as done in your project board inside of monday.com, a notification is going to instantly be sent to your team's Slack channel, and a new item is automatically created in a separate completed projects board for your records. No more manual updates for copy pasting. So first guys, let's go to our monday.com workspace ready. Okay, as you can see, I have two boards in here. You can create a new board by just clicking on this plus icon and then going to board. Okay, I have one that is called basically my first project, and it's a simple board with basically columns for the task name, the owner, the status, and the priority. Okay, and then what I have here is the second board, which is called completed projects. All right, this board is going to be like our archive of all the tasks we have finished. And it has, different columns for the completed task name and the date in which has been completed. Now let's jump over to make.com. We're going to start by creating a new scenario, okay, as usual. So let's just click on create a new scenario in here. And what we want to do basically is, the core of this integration is going to be our webhook, okay, which is going to be essentially a signal that monday.com will send to make.com. So what are we going to do is we're just going to click on this plus icon and we're going to look for webhook. All right, guys, so let's click in here, webhook. And now we're just going to select custom webhook. Amazing. Now we're going to click on add here and we're going to give this a name. For example, let's say monday.com, webhook, and just click on save now. Now what's going to happen is that make.com is going to generate a unique URL, which is this one here, for this webhook. This URL is crucial, so click the copy address to clipboard button, okay? You have to click on this, guys. Now guys, let's go back to monday.com, okay? What we have to do is we have to focus on, the project task board, which in this case is my first project. And we're gonna set up like an automation that is gonna send a signal to our make.com webhook whenever a task status changes to done. So let's click on integrate, okay? And now what I want you to do is I want you to search for webhook. So let's just go to exploring here and we're gonna, search for webhooks. All right, and now you have many of them. What I want you to do is I want you to select the one that says basically when a status changes to something, change and send a webhook, okay? So I'm just gonna click in here. And now guys, what are we gonna do? Simple, we're just gonna copy paste this, link in here of the webhook. Amazing, let's click on connect. Now the connection is gonna be verified, guys, and we can actually proceed. Okay, to get some sample data to work with, we can trigger the webhook. What are we gonna do? In our project, in our first project board in here, we're gonna change the status, from, for example, working on it to, let's say, done, okay? And now we can finally start to build the automation in make.com. So what are we gonna do? I need to add like a monday.com model in here, a new one. So let's search for monday.com, amazing. And we're gonna select get an item, okay, in here. Now let's click on create a connection. And now something that we need, guys, is we need to set the API key, okay? So what are we gonna do for this is go back to Monday again. And let's click on our profile here. And let's click on, developers. That's gonna take us in here and we can just copy this API password, okay? So just copy paste it here and just click on save now. Now for the ID, we basically have to select this webhook's custom webhook, okay, the challenge. Amazing, let's click on it. Now finally guys, we're gonna add a new model, which is gonna be a Slack, okay, so let's click in here, and let's look for create a message, okay. Now we basically have to create a connection again, and that's gonna imply logging into our Slack account. It's very simple. This window is gonna open, and now you basically have to connect to your account. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. And now finally, what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna go to a new model. We're gonna click on Monday, and we're gonna look for something that is gonna call create an item. Okay, create an item. And now we basically have to connect again, and we have to select what our completed projects board, okay, because that's where we want to put our information in here, guys. Okay, so just select your completed project boards, and since we wanted to, change the status, that's exactly what we can do. Okay, so you can just click in here, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Okay, guys, now you can just try it. Okay, you can just click on run once. All right, which is amazing. And by the way, you can map any field, from Slack or from Monday. I recommend that you, for example, map, I don't know, the name or the email or things like that in order to recognize the different events. Okay, so just click on run once and you're going to be able to try it. Thank you so much, guys.